Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 22nd, 2015, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar first, we've got a couple of numbers coming out of the euro. Basically, there are euro meetings today all day long, so it could be kind of interesting how the euro reacts to that. And then later today, we have a US dollar number coming out, existing home sales. That is a major number. And as such, new home sales are actually up. So the real estate market is actually reviving itself in the United States, and homeowners are back into purchasing homes again. Much of the economy is based on the U.S. dollar, is based on real estate. So consumer spending on homes is a very big item. If they're buying homes, they're also buying appliances, washing machines, etc., etc., etc. So these things are a major benchmark for how the markets are doing. So I pay attention to that today. Looking at the Euro USD left off last week, we are on our dead highs, 13.96. We're about right here, and you saw that we didn't come in. We never really broke this level at 111, and we've been trading and trickling up slowly but surely up to 13.96. We're just shy of 1.4, 1.14. There's resistance at 1.1472. So as long as we could play catch up and get to this level, I think we could really take it out. At this level, there is a little bit of I would say a micro resistance at this level. If you could see here, let's just enlarge it a little bit. There's a little bit level. No, I think that's too large. Okay, there's a little bit of a level right here. Let me just show you. If you see that right here, a little bit of resistance back here, some resistance here, and so there might be some resistance at this level. But again, the major resistance is really at 1479, 1480-ish level. So I would anticipate to go up all the way up to there. If we do retrace, we retrace to 111. So keep that on the radar. What has popped up, as you can see here, is the GBP USD above 57.96 here. We're trading at 58.99. We're just at 159 right here. So this is a major threshold because previously we had this support, okay, and now we have this resistance right here. So let's see if it does rally right back up to the 160 level, and it does take this 160 level above. And if we do break this 160 level, we could certainly see it go up to 164. So that's just a matter of time. Looking at the graphs, the GBP is much stronger than the euro, considering that the euro is going through some of its Greece debacle or Greece crisis, whatever you want to call it. It is going through some of a cycle. Looking at the Dow Jones here, Dow Jones had a positive week last week, all said and done. Last Friday, we sold off about 100 points. The markets are still strong in the States, like I said. So we're going to be trading sideways, I think, for a while. We're just shy of 18,000 right here. 18,053 we hit all the way up here. There was resistance right here. As you can see, at this level, there's multiple resistance levels here. So it'd be interesting to see if it does do something positive this week. Will it sustain above 18,053? If not, then we could certainly see it go back to 17,786. My guess is that we'll be trading in somewhat of a trading range for the next few weeks until we break out at the end of the summer. This is looking at the gold oil right here. Excuse me, we're right back down. So, you know, looking at this trend, you know, you could see that we've micro trended it. We're now trading in a little bit of a tighter trend, $61 on the upside and $59.15 or 59, 58, 90-ish level on the bottom side. So, you know, before we were trading at 62.25 and 57.62, and now we're just trading in this micro trend. So, you know, as long as we don't break the upper and outer, you could definitely scalp your way into some sort of a trading success there. Looking at gold here, gold has been very unpredictable, but somewhat if you're trading, again, like the range, you're doing okay. We traded all the way as low as 1175 last week, and then we just took off. What's the catalyst? I'm not really sure. Maybe the selling off of the Dow Jones. But as you can see, we're back into this 1200 level. And so we're gaining a little bit back to our upper level. We could still go up another 26 points before we're at the top level, levels where we can start shorting it. But as you can see, as long as you're buying within this range, okay, the bottom of these ranges, you're doing well and you're selling it. So there's no crime in making money slowly but surely and just playing the trend and trading the range. I mean, okay, this is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.